Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So the first look we're going to go for is a classic and easy updo that they did in the 90s, and I found a lot of pictures online when I was scrolling through. Like, a lot of celebrities had this look, so it's really important to have a face frame for this first one. But if you don't, just pull out some strings of your hair and it'll still look just as good. I feel like my face frame is even a little too short, but you're gonna want to grab your hair all and bunch it up forward like you're about to do a bun, and then just place your ponytail over it, or your hair tie. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to mold it right now. As you see, it's just a big blob on your head. This is exactly what we want. Also, make sure you have some type of curl or wave to your hair, or this isn't gonna work. So also pin down the hairs in the front and on the sides so the hairstyle can stay secure, and straighten the pieces in the front. Now, this is a very sleek and sophisticated look. You can wear this with a little black dress, a satin dress, anything. It's gonna look awesome. I got this look based off of this photo right here, so it's definitely 90s approved for an updo. Now, the next hairstyle is really easy. You just want to keep your hair up in the same type of bun, but what you're going to want to do this time is grab your hair and pieces are in the front and push it to the side like so, and then you're going to want to grab more hair from your other side and let that down. And what you're going to do is take your flat iron or curling iron and curl one part away from your face. It looks like I got some bangs right now, so curl those away from your face. And you'll see what we're going to do with that hair that's laying. So make sure you curl those away from your face. Can't emphasize that enough. It would look nice forward, but right now we're going from the away from your face look. Then what you're going to want to do is secure it in place with a butterfly clip, and that will give you the true 90s look. I missed a spot, so I'm just going to curl that piece as well. Now I'm curling the other side away from your face. And this just gives a nice, elegant look. I love this. I know I wore this on New Year's once, and I got a lot of compliments on my hair. So I hope that you guys find this really helpful. And I'm just curling some pieces in the back that were a little bit more straight. You want this look to be very curly. If your hair is really curly, this look is going to look even more put together. I swear to you, like Shirley Temple curls. This look will be very 90s. I kind of want to do another one with like really curly hair, but for now I'm doing it this way. And you want to pin those long pieces upwards so they fall nice like so. And I got this inspiration from that picture right there. So that is the second hairstyle. So now the last hairstyle, which was really simple, is you're just going to grab all those pieces that were falling and just pin them all back. And you're kind of want to make like a row of like 5 at the front of your head or hair and it's going to create that really 90s look. Like, I swear, in every movie you'll see like Julia Stiles or just any other super famous actress. When they go to prom, they have this hairstyle. It's just it was so popular back then. I know my sister, she did this when she was like in middle school too, when she was older. I was a little too young, so therefore I couldn't, but I would. And this is the inspiration photo for that. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can always like play it up with some butterfly clips or any type of hair clips. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this 90s updo tutorial, and I will see you at prom. I'm just kidding, at the next video. Bye, gotta go.